Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change shirt color in Photoshop. First, make a selection. Now add solid color. Make a copy and send into front. Select copy, go to image adjustment, then click on desaturate. Right-click and select clipping mask. Solid color normal to multiple and second copy normal to linear burn. Make sure second copy opacity 80. Select solid color, go to blending options, now drag like this. It's look perfect. Now change color and see the magics. I hope you like my video. Subscribe for more videos or like must.